everyone, so today we will be doing my curly hair routine, and I will first be starting with one of my favorite hair masks. So the first one is the Lush Roots hair treatment, and this is for helping with hair growth and maintaining your hair healthy, of course. Right now I'm focusing on making my hair grow since it is very healthy, even though I did just diet recently. So this is one of my favorite hair masks to go in with. And then I also have the Oilplex Hair Perfector number 3, and this I'm going to be using one time a week and then go in with this also. But of course, I'm not using both today. I just use these like throughout the week. So the hair mask that I'm going in with today is the Oilplex Hair Perfector. So I'm just going to dry it a little bit more now since I did wet it. So I'm currently using the Diva Curl towel. I used to use cotton shirts before, but I just thought it would be easier if I just had my own towel for it. Also, I have a mirror behind me, so that's why if like you see me looking like far, that's where I'm looking. So now I'm just going to apply a little. I like to go little by little because I have a problem where I tend to put a lot of product in my hair because I'm just crazy. It is currently 1:10, so I'm just going to leave this on till 1:20 since they say to just leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to be hopping in the shower. So these are the 3 products that I use for my hair. They're all from Diva Curl. Diva Curl has been one of the few lines that actually really do work for my hair, and I'm so happy that I found something that really does work for my hair. So the first one I like to start off with is the Mr. Ray Dream Curl Refresher. So the point of this is just to refresh your curls. A lot of people just use this for day 2, but I like to start it off to just wet my hair a little bit more if it got too dry from the towel. So I just spray this all over my hair. So now I just like to move it and make sure that it's all over my hair. Then I like to start to scrunch my hair at this point. And I know my face looks so pale, but to be honest, I don't think there's ever going to be a point where my face is not pale. So I also like to go back and forth with this once my hair is still drying. So like maybe like every 20 to 30 minutes in that process, I like to go back and use this. So the curls that are looking not so curly or just wavy, I like to spray this and they'll instantly get curly again. So then the second product I use is a styling cream, which is to define and control your hair. I use like 1, 2, 3. I use like 3.5, maybe 4 pumps of this product. So then I just move it in all together to make sure it's both in my hands, and then I like to just start off with the back and just put it all over my hair. So then once I have that in my hair, I like to flip my hair down and start to scrunch it. So since I'm sitting on a chair, it's not going to be so easy for you guys to see it, but I'm still going to try to, and hopefully you guys can understand the concept of what I'm doing. When you flip your hair and you leave your hair down for a while and you're still scrunching it, that does add volume. So I try not to leave my head like this and scrunch my hair at the same time for that long because I do not like volume. And when I first washed my hair after I first dyed it, I had a lot of volume, and to be honest, I wasn't that crazy about it, even though I know a lot of people did love it. So then I moved like to this point where like my hair's still in my face, and then I do the same thing because like I said, I don't like volume, but if you do like volume, then you should keep your head down for as long as you want, but I personally do not. So also I would like to mention that I do not diffuse my hair. I just know that my curls don't look good when I diffuse it. I really like to focus on defining my curls and not so much on volume, like I said earlier. So when I just use a diffuser, my curls are just way more loose and like bigger. I don't even know if that makes sense, but like my curls are very small and like tight. So then when I diffuse it, they get like loose and big, and I personally like, it doesn't look bad, but I just personally don't like those curls on me. So I like to keep my defined small tight curls. So then I like to go in with my favorite product, which is the Ultra Defining Gel. So like I said, I love defined curls, so this Ultra Defining Gel is perfect for me. If not, I know a lot of people do use the Light Defining Gel because that works for them, but like I said, this one works better for me. So I've realized that the Light Defining Gel works better for people who have looser curls or just even wavy hair, and I put a good amount of this. So same process, I move it into my hands, split my hair, and kind of just try to evenly put it in my hair. And then while I do that, I scrunch my hair at the same time. And then I flip my hair down again and do the same process. So I do this for a while because, like I said, I want defined curls, so the more I do this, the more my curls work with me. I know a lot of people do finger through their hair. I personally don't always do it. I only do it for like big sections or I just do it when my hair dries. Like, there's a lot of tips out there for like curly hair that a lot of people follow that I don't. So I'm like a little lazy when it comes to my hair, but not that much. And also, I do not finger comb my hair. My hair is too knotty all the time for me to even be able to do that. I will be in the shower for hours. So I just take the lazy way out and just brush it out. Then I just go in with the bottom and just scrunch that. Like I said, I don't really finger through my hair or anything like that. I usually like to just take the lazy way out. And I just continue to scrunch. And then at one point I just stop and just wait for my hair to dry. Okay, so this is how my hair tends to look when I finish using all those products. And if there's any curls that I feel like aren't working well, I just go back and scrunch my hair again. But now it is time for me to go in more in depth into the products that I use and do the Q&A that you guys asked for. So let's get started. Okay, so now it is 3:33 and I finished washing my hair around like maybe 2:30. My hair is pretty dry already, so I'm just gonna go back in with the curl refresher and spray it in this part of my hair because as you guys can see, it is straight right there. So I'm just gonna spray and then scrunch and then I love how for the video it's not like working. This piece of hair might just actually be damaged. Okay, so I swear it works. I don't know why it's not working on this piece. But okay, there we go. It's kind of working. So yeah, there we go. Okay, it kind of worked. So like I said, when I'm washing my hair or even throughout, when it's dry, I just go back in with this product to just refresh my curls, and it really does work. I really do love this. Like, it's great. This was my first product from Diva Curl that I tried, and ever since I've been obsessed. So I just had to go and grab my shampoo and conditioner, but now I'm going to be telling you guys my shampoo and conditioners that I use. So I do like to change up my shampoos and conditioners. I'm currently using a new shampoo that I haven't tried, and the conditioner has stayed the same for a while. But what I do want to mention is that this shampoo that I'm going to mention right now, I only use it once a week. It does dry out your hair a lot, but I am looking for a shampoo that I can use all the time. So if you guys have any recommendations, sorry if this looks different, I had to change positions because my memory card got full. But like I was saying, so if you guys have any recommendations, just leave them in the comments down below because your girl needs help. So I'm using the Celeb Luxury Color Wash Original and Flawless Diamond. I think that's the name of it, but then it says Gem Lights here. I don't even know. But it has been really great. So the reason why I use it once a week is because it will dry out my hair, and I don't want that, of course. But so far I've used it like 2 to 3 times, and it's been really good for my hair. And also the shampoo itself is actually like blue. It's not focusing on it, so you guys can't see it, but it's a really good shampoo. I don't know where you can find it because I bought it from the salon that I did my hair at. But I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon or just online somewhere when you look up the name. So then for the conditioner that I always use is I use the Diva Curl One Conditioner, and this is the extra moisture one. I didn't mean to get this one. I meant to just get the regular moisture one. I bought this by accident. I just kept it because it's practically the same thing. This has been really good. It's so great at detangling my hair, and I got the big bottle and it's already done. But at the same time, I'm not the only one that just uses it. My mom and my aunt also use it, but great conditioner. You guys should really try this out if you are looking for a good conditioner that's going to detangle your hair. So another deep conditioner that I started using, and I'm still not sure where you can find this because I got this from my old job, but this is from Dippity Stew Girls with Curls, the deep treatment, and it has been amazing. This is the one I've been using for months now. So the point of it is to nourish, detangle, and restore dry and damaged curly hair. So I don't have much of damaged hair, but I do sometimes get dry hair. But sometimes my hair does really get dry, so I love going in with this deep treatment. It is amazing. I'll find where you can find this, and I'll put in the link down below because it's really great. I really do love this. And there's the bottle, and they also have the packets, but I have both, so yeah, it's great. Now for products that I use on my hair, which I used today, are the Diva Curl products. So the first one, which I've already talked about earlier, which is the Mr. Right Curl Refresher. I don't really have to say much about this. It's great. I definitely recommend it if you have curly hair. And it's just really good for refreshing your curls, especially for day 2 and day 3. Like, that point, it's like sometimes we don't even know what to do with our hair anymore, and I personally am not going to go into the shower and wash my whole head again. That I know some people do, but I personally don't have time for that, so this is a great product to have. Then I go in with the Diva Curl Styling Cream, which is to define and control your hair. So what does it do? The botanical infused cream will leave your hair curly, shine, bouncy, and behaving, which is great. So if you're looking for those things, then you should try this out. Diva Curl has the quiz, how I mentioned earlier, and there's the styling, and then there's another one with an S. I can't remember the name of it, but Diva Curl products have personally just really worked for me. And oh, and I forgot to mention, so on all the Diva Curl products, they have a list of if it works for you, what does it do, and how to use it, which I think is so great because sometimes we don't have time to go online and look up the quiz or reviews or anything like that, so this is a really great way to see if the product's going to be well for your hair. So this is the Ultra Defining Gel Strong Hold No Crunch Styler. Like I said, I love definition for my curls, so this is a great product. But if you are more on the wavier, loosely curled hair type, then you should definitely go with the Light Defining Gel. So now finishing with showing you guys all my products that I use for my hair and going into detail with it, we are going to start the Q&A. So I have the questions on my phone and I asked you guys a while ago to ask me questions about my curly hair routine or any questions that you guys had for your hair. So the first question is how do you refresh your curls after days? So now this is where I continue to talk about my refresher spray. So like I've said tons of times in this video already that this is the way that I've refreshed my curls after a couple days, or just even when I first wash it. I think it's a great product. I don't have to continue to ramble on about this. No other companies do have curl refreshers, but I haven't tried those. This has personally just been the one that I've gone towards and has worked for me. Also, another great way to refresh your curls if you personally just don't feel like the curl refresher works for you is co-washing. So you just hop in the shower, wet your hair, put conditioner, brush it out, and boom, you're out, done. Oh, wash out the conditioner if that's what you prefer. But that's another great way to refresh your curls. I do it all the time. It's amazing. And there's also co-wash products out there. I haven't tried any, but just letting you guys know for my curly hair gals. Then the second question is how do you keep your curls from not getting flat overnight? So a couple things that I do is I use a bonnet. So I went and grabbed one. So I have, this is in like a cream color and it has like foundation over it because I take my makeup off with it. But it's a great product. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave it down linked below if you guys want to purchase it. I bought a pack of 3 for $10. They're amazing. They really do help with keeping your hair up. And also another thing that I do when I wear those is I put my hair up in a pineapple. My friend Gabby, she was the one who told me about this, and ever since I've been using that for my hair. So you just grab all your hair, you put it up, or you can flip your hair over and just put the tie over once, and that's it. And then you just put the little hair cap on and your curls will stay looking great until the next morning. Also, another great thing that I love to use is sleek pillows. I currently have them on right now, not the ones in the front, they're in the back. Those have really done magic to my hair. Like, using all those products overnight has really helped my hair just stay how it looks and stay in place. Because before, my hair used to look so bad the next day because I never knew what I wanted to do. And to be honest, going to sleep at night with curly hair is such an important factor to doing your hair because I really do feel like it could really mess up overnight. So using those tips are really going to help your hair. The silk bonnet and silk pillows, it really helps with not letting your hair get frizzy. Then the next question is what do you do for frizz? So then, like I said, I'm going to start using this hair oil from Diva Curl and also like the sleek pillows and the bonnet, things like that. My hair doesn't get frizzy that often anymore, but when it does, I go in with usually with an oils. If I'm not using the Diva Curl, I'm probably using the Moroccan oil since I have both. What did you give up when starting your curl journey? So the first thing that I stopped doing was straightening my hair because that's what I used to do when I did not know what to do with my hair because I didn't understand how my hair worked. So that was something I had to give up, just applying heat and also just letting myself go through the process because a lot of times when you're trying new products or like you don't feel like your hair is looking its best, you're just like, oh, I can't, I'm just gonna straighten it. So it's something that it's a habit that you really do have to stop, but just like letting yourself and like, okay, like I'm doing this, I'm doing all this because at the end the results are gonna be great. So you just have to like put that mentality because if not, trust me, it's gonna take forever. This process is really long. Like I've been in this process since like maybe like my freshman year of high school, and I just finished my first year of college. So that just shows you that it's gonna take a while, but towards the end your results are gonna be amazing. Then the next question is when did you start your curly hair journey? So like I said, I started around maybe like my freshman year of high school, so when I was 14, and I finally feel like I understand my hair and understand the products that I can use for it at like 19. So it's a long process, but trust me, it's worth it. How long have you been putting color in your hair for? So I've been putting like color in my hair since I think the 7th grade, if I'm correct. It might have been like around like 2013, if I'm correct. So I have been coloring my hair for a while. But I don't know, it's kind of like a part of me now, so I don't really know how to use products for like virgin hair. So this is me. I've always been blonde. I never done any other like colors. So how long did you or do you give up the straightener for? And they said, aka, when did you stop applying heat to your hair? So to answer your first question, how long did I give up the straightener for? I think maybe like 6 months. I think I started my journey maybe around like September or maybe even December. So I usually just tend to straighten my hair like in May since it's my birthday, or like I usually have a lot of things going on in May, not even like just my birthday. So May tends to be the month that I straighten my hair, or like Christmas time sometimes around there. I give up the straightener for a while. Like I'm now starting to straighten my hair more since my hair is healthy and it's able to bounce back after straightening my hair. So usually like if I straighten, let's say in February, I don't want to straighten it till like April, May. Like May is usually the month that I straighten my hair, but I try to give it up for a couple months. In the summer, I never straighten my hair. Like it's very rare. I'd have to have like an event going on for me to straighten my hair. What do you recommend for curly hair when it's color treated? So like I said, just color treated shampoo, a lot of hair mask and things like that. Like that's what's really gonna help, using oils. It's what's been helping me, so I feel like just using those products are really gonna help. I hope this curly hair routine helped you guys and showed you guys new products for your hair. I hope that the Q&A will also help you within your curl hair journey. I know it takes a while and it's such a process, but I'm telling you guys, it's so worth it at the end. I love my hair now. Like I'll straighten it and I'm like, oh my god, I miss my curly hair. Like I can't wait to wash it. That's how much I love my curly hair. I feel like my hair is me, and I feel like my hair defines me. So hopefully you guys will get to a point where you're happy with your hair, or you're already happy with your hair. With that being said, I'm going to end this video. So I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below any products that you guys recommend I should try for curly hair, or if this video helped you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram. That's like practically like the only social media I use, but there's also other social media accounts down in the description box. And that is the end of this video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!